surely made her mark in the industry. So ladies and gentlemen, I request ma'am to please come forward. So now let's talk about the Andrew Rise initiative. The hashtag Andrew Rise initiative is a platform that shares the stories of women from different walks of life. It celebrates the strength, courageous of big women who have shown in the face of adversity. And now I'd like to request Anita to please come forward and share her powerful journey with all of us here. So ladies and gentlemen, can you hear some claps from the audience?
Andrew Rise is an initiative we started and we wanted to highlight women's stories, women who again small whatever came in front of them still succeeded and went ahead and did what they had to do in life. We profiled many such women and we've done short films on them. They can viewed on Instagram and on YouTube on Style by Anne. And I think every woman today has her own story about how she rose. And maybe we'd like to hear something from Samantha. It's been a very, very interesting journey, I know. And there must have been a lot of obstacles that came your way. Is there something you'd like to share with everybody? One major obstacle that you overcame and felt that, overcame it and succeeded, let's say?
Well, firstly, welcome to Telangana, ma'am. We are very, very happy that you are here. We especially, Preetham is my stylist, we especially adore you because of your sustainable fashion and what you represent. And we wish that you would collaborate with us, with Telangana and the handlooms and the weavers here, because we have amazing talent of Telangana. And like you said, when we visit the clusters, it's so many women, who have been part of the industry, their families, their children, for so many years. And it's sad that it is a dying art, and we would love for a name as acclaimed as you to collaborate with these clusters. It was something that we would dare to dream, and we love how you make the traditional art modern with your silhouettes and your style. So again, welcome to Telangana, and I hope this is a long, long stay for you. I love that again, Andrew Rise is especially taking into importance the rise and the necessity for there to be a voice for women. And I personally have been working in the field where I have to, like every industry has its difficulties for a woman. So is the film industry for sure, and I've had my fair share of difficulties that I've had to face. But I'm extremely happy to now be in a place where women support other women. It's just a beautiful place to be right now, and we're all in this together. That's all I can say.
Alright, so guys, now straight away question to the designer itself. The A is a designer of Samantha. So I just wanted to ask you, what often she likes the most? What outfits?
More simple. She believes in less is more. She's more classic, more chic. So yeah, we always follow less is more. And handles, of course, we love waist and she loves every handle.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Madam, this side look at madam. Middle, madam. Madam, middle. This side look at. Baby.
What I can do, and I hope that I can learn from more people and do more.
Samantha, I must tell you an incident. I sell grassroots cloth. We have a flagship store in Broadway in Soho, and we have these beautiful Ika dresses. And when I see these foreigners buying them, I go up to them and I say, "Do you know how this is done?" And they look at me and say, "No." They think it's a print. And when I show them the Ika, that every yarn is dyed and then woven, they just can't believe it. We have videos in the store that explain the craft. So people still can't fathom that Bani, Ika, handcrafted.
వీలైతే లైక్ కుదిరితే కామెంట్ పెట్టండి. ఇలాంటి ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ బ్రేకింగ్ బిగ్ న్యూస్ మాకు తెలిసిన వెంటనే మీకు తెలియజేస్తాం. దీనికి మీరు చేయవలసిందల్లా ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తున్న సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ ని నొక్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవ్వండి. అండ్ ఇంకో విషయం, పక్కనే ఒక గంట సింబల్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, దాన్ని నొక్కారనుకోండి మేము చేసే వీడియో అప్డేట్స్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ అన్నిటితో మీ డివైస్ లో వాలిపోతాం.